Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, I uploaded different courses on my channel Iron Tech. I uploaded different courses like a Pinterest marketing course, Canva designing course, and recently I uploaded HTML complete course. So guys, this is a very premium course. HTML course is a very premium course, so please watch it and give your services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So web designing is a very high paying skill. You can give services of web design by learning HTML and CSS. So in future I also uploaded videos of CSS, so you can also learn this and start your career as a web designer. So guys, today's video agenda is how to edit photo in Canva. So different people want to edit their photos in a good way, but they don't have time, so they hire freelancers and give them their images, and the freelancer edited their images and create a beautiful image. So this is a good service to sell on different freelancing platform. So in today's video I will teach you how you can edit photo in Canva. So first of all, I would like to click on create a design and custom design, and here I made a custom size of 500 by 500 pixels, and I click on create new design. So it appear in the next video. It is loading, just wait for some seconds. So it is loaded. So first of all, I go to photos, and here we are searching for image like so this image. I click on set image as background, and that's it. First of all, click on edit photo and remove the background. Sorry, detach image, and we do not set image as background because background cannot be edited. So I stretch this image, and let's start. So first of all, click on edit photo and BG remover and remove the background. So that's good. And first of all, we have to change the background, and I go to photos, background, sorry, background, no, that's not look good. Yeah, it's look good. So click on this edit photo. First of all, there are different options. The first option is effects. First of all, we will see the filters. Fresco, no. We will check one by one filters, and let's see what fits good on this image. Yeah, I think it's look good. Again click on this, and we have to blur some part of this image for the focus. That's good. There are different things about images in the adjust section. So brightness, contrast, and highlights. After that, whites, decrease the whites and increase the blacks. Sharpness, clarity, reduce. Yeah, that's good. After that, a crops section, but we don't need any uh, crop in our photo. So this is the final product. So in this way, we will edit our photo in Canva. You can also, for practice, you can also upload your images in Canva and set background and adjust different parameters in the edit photo. So you can also edit good photos in Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.